had a load of new swatches through, but the whole collection is being moved to like a brand new factory. So we've had a couple of examples of the quality, and it's really looks and like everything that we're looking for these tracksuits.
Really well,
yeah, the structure's really, really nice.
Obviously, the idea of this collection is to do with a club and together. It's going to be guys and girls, obviously, as we know. So we were thinking, what can we do that's a club that isn't just tennis? That we sort of touched upon that in the summer. That isn't just running. A few other brands have done sort of like running and athletics. So I thought, what else can we do that we've got guys and girls? So then I thought about a rowing club. So I've managed to get us into London Rowing Club, which will be really, really exciting because, first of all, the branding, it's worked out really well because they are navy and white. So that ties in really well with everything. So I've had a look at the location, the inside, the outside, the exteriors, what we can do outside and inside for the campaign. And I think that it's all going to align really, really well.
Very cozy, very nice. You see this premium fabric. You can't find this anywhere. You can only find this at Brother and Kim, you understand?
A really nice day, shot at a really nice location. And yeah, it was fun. Met the whole team. Everybody's super nice. The best part of my day is most probably shooting outside next to the boats. And the nice weather is always nice to go out and yeah. And going back to Manchester tomorrow and shooting again. And hopefully it's going to be a nice day as well.
Makeup, hair and makeup. We're shooting e-com in Manchester.
Remember they said you'll be just like your mama. Remember they
Raring for day 2. Very excited. We're in a new studio.
Shooting e-com for both Sisters Seekers and Brother and Kim. So we've got 3 models today, less than yesterday.
ones that wanna die, but we need you to keep on living. Don't believe the lies. Remember we ain't have a pot to pee. Out of options, chop the key. Send them on a chopping spree. Streets as dark as Halloween. Hellbound, gotta be, but he chose to die for me.
You took your life and broke it to pieces. You still worthy. Even with shackles on your feet, you still worthy. You took losses, you was defeated. You still worthy. You was a liar, you was a cheat. You still worthy. Get back up, you. Don't stay down, you. Don't you try, you. Where your crown, you. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb.
Good. Happy.
Just for the on its own, because we've done everything on its
Get back in the day and do all 3.
Get them back in, do all 3. With the...
This, I'm gonna tell you what, it's built to last. Built to last, understand?
So we're here today shooting our new Built to Last collection. Welcome to London Rowing Club. Oh my god, no, that was oh shit, now we can't get in.
We just locked out the front door. Oh, thank you. Thanks.
Get out of here.